Greeting, this is Matt Bone. We're going to be looking at how we can insert a video in Google Classroom from YouTube. I'm going to be guiding you through this particular step here. They're very critical. So if you have problem doing that, I will guide you through this step by step. But if you are new here, subscribe. Alright, so I'm going to take you through this. The first thing you wanted to do is to come right here and open Google Chrome. Or you can come right in the taskbar and click and it's up. Right at the right hand corner, we see the 9 dot. You click on it and then you're going to click on this Gmail sign. Now when you click on the Gmail sign here, right, you notice it's showing that it's actually loading. So this is actually how the new Gmail sign look like. Now we're actually in the account. So what we want to go to Google Classroom. So click right here back on the 9 for that here, and then we're going to take a look at time and scroll up. Right, this itself is the classroom. So we're going to click on the classroom. So while I click on classroom, make sure it's actually open. There you go. I'm going to select the classroom. Now I'm actually in the classroom. But what I wanted to do is how I can insert a video. So first thing I wanted to do is click on classwork. So when I click on classwork, then I click on the word create. When I click on create, I go down all the way to the word material. And then I click like that. Right? So I want to insert the video from YouTube. So I'm going to click here to add. When you click add, you notice it's a Google Drive, it's a link, it's a file, it's a YouTube, but YouTube is where we want the video from. So we're going to click on YouTube. So when you click on YouTube, you notice it bring up right here, search bar. So we're going to type something, say sets of numbers. That's what we really want. Sets of numbers. You can come right here and click, or you can press enter on the keyboard. Notice it bring up a set of number here. So I'm going to click on the second one. As soon as I click on the second one, you notice right here is add highlight, and you have cancel. Click on word add. Now immediately you notice here and show you how much. So very important. So this is one of the way you actually can upload a YouTube video here. Right? I'm going to show you another way in which you can actually do this. Right? You can go all the way to the stream page, which is this page here, and then you're going to come right here that it says announce something to the class, and click it right here. And let me close the click announce something to the class. Let me scroll up a bit. Notice it says add. I'm going to click on the word add. I'm going to click on this is Google Classroom, Google Drive rather, link, file on YouTube. I'm going to click on YouTube. Right, you notice we got the same window. I'm going to type set of number, just the same, to see if we can get the same thing here. And then we're going to press enter. Notice we get the second one. I'm going to press this right here. You know this? Alright, so these are the two ways we can actually insert the video in Google Classroom. So very important. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. So just remember to share it with your friend and subscribe.